liga. Velvet D-League Basketball liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball liga, 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 liga. Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League Basketball liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, tumilay up nang hindi ka po. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth, pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League Basketball liga, 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 liga. 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 Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing, na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw. Sintaas ng bola pag ginagis kakasilaw. Tignan mong maigi ang iyong paligid. Baka may umagaw, pasa mo sa gilid. Titira ng tres, walang sasabay. Babaan lahat, matik to walang sablay. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League Basketball liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball liga, 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 liga.
Dito sa laro, di lang puro atake. Dapat meron kang diskarte, di pwedeng makasarili. Galawang malabro,
We are now on to the fourth quarter. San Antonio Bobcat versus Genesis Monarchs, 16 under. Welcome to our first quarter. Once again, San Antonio versus Genesis. Ball possession, San Antonio. Jersey number 10 for drive, 2 points. Jersey number 24 from Genesis, Mr. Malabanan. Back to Mr. Malabanan. 19, no good. Rebound by jersey number 16. Pass to Mr. Dimakulangan. For 3, no good. Malabanan. Malabanan. Pass jersey number 1. No good. There's a foul. Foul jersey number 1. Ball possession, San Antonio Bobcat. Jersey number 10, steal by Mr. Malabanan, but then again, there's a foul. Foul jersey number 10, pushing foul. Ball possession, Genesis. Kaputol. Caputo dribbling the ball past jersey number 19 to jersey number 1. What a block by Mr. Santa Cruz. I would like to greet a big shout out to Miss Elena Bombio, currently watching here at Central Gymnasium. Di makulangan, jersey number 10 for 2 points. Also, a huge shout out to Miss Mardeline Ulan. Out of bounds, ball possession, Genesis. Substitution. San Antonio just switched a whole new set of players for their first quarter. Shout out to Kaizen Aliwalas. Out of bounds. Current score 4-0 for San Antonio. Jersey number 14. Paso Aguilera, 2 points. Malabanan, pass jersey number 9. With 2 points. That'll be another score for San Antonio. Steal by Mr. Aguilera. Pass jersey number 14 for 3. 3 points once again for San Antonio. Another steal by Mr. Austria. To jersey number 11. Out of bounds. Same ball. Last 17 seconds shot clock. Gutierrez for 2, no good. Rebound by jersey number 19. Steal by Mr. Aguilera. To jersey number 14. 2 points by jersey number 7. Bati. Out of bounds. Ball possession. Genesis. Timeout. Genesis. Last 6 minutes and 52 seconds remaining time. Official score 13-0 in favor of San Antonio.
Sumabay, gumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, liga.
We are back to the first quarter. San Antonio versus Genesis. Pacheco. Jersey number. No good. Rebound by Mr. Aguilera. Pass to Gutierrez to jersey number 12. 2 points. Substitution. Peña floor out. Jersey number 13 in. Steal with jersey number 12, Mr. Austria. There has been a traveling violation. Vati, steal by jersey number 9, Jersey number 11, 2 points. Another 2 for San Antonio. I don't think San Antonio's giving Genesis a chance to score. With their defense, with San Antonio's defense game plan, Genesis is unable to score a point. Jersey number 11. No good. There's been a foul. Basket. Last 5 minutes and 26 seconds remaining time. Out of bounds. What a pass. For 2. Another 2 points for jersey number 7. Last 5 minutes remaining time. Another 3 points for San Antonio. They are really not letting Genesis score a single point. No good. There's another foul for Mr. Pacheco. And that would be 2 shots for Mr. Austria. First shot, basket. Last 4 minutes and 39 seconds remaining time. It must be a huge preparation for San Antonio Bobcat for them not letting Genesis score a single point. Out of bounds, ball possession, Genesis. We are now 4 minutes and 36 seconds remaining time to our first quarter. Is Genesis gonna score finally? But then again, steal by jersey number 14 to Austria. Another 2 points. San Antonio is now 30 points against Genesis. Another steal. Foul. There's foul. Jersey number 9. Another score for Mr. Aguilera. Last shot. No good. Rebound by Austria. Jersey number 9. Another 2 points. A foul. Jersey number 11, Mr. Austria. I mean, Mr. Aguilera. Sorry. Jersey number 9. Another steal. And an opportunity for San Antonio to score a point again. Jersey number 8, once again steal. A foul counted. Foul, jersey number 12. One shot for Mr. Aguilera. Basket. And that would be a timeout for Genesis. Last 3 minutes and 33 seconds remaining time. Official score 40-0.
Nang hindi ka boss, mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet Dilig Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Come and bounce the ball, ikat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na ngay street ballin', determinado sa laro, we can never fallen. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na.
We are back again to the first quarter. Again, last 3 minutes and 33 seconds remaining time. Official score 40-0. 40-point lead by San Antonio Bobcats. Jersey number 9. Pass to jersey number 29. Another steal. 2 points. I would like to give a big shout out once again to Miss Perline and Miss Mardeline Ulan. Happy viewing. Jersey number 6. Pass to Mr. Banawa. For 3. Another 3 points. Last 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time. I don't think San Antonio's gonna let Genesis once again score a single point for the rest of the game. There's been a warning for Mr. Banawa for not tucking in. We are on to 2 minutes and 38 seconds remaining time. Again, Genesis haven't scored yet. Out of bounds. Ball possession. San Antonio Bobcat. Jersey number 10. There's a foul. Jersey number 13. And a penalty for Team Genesis. Basket. Steal once again, jersey number 6. Another 2 points. We are now last 2 minutes remaining time. For Genesis, jersey number 77. They are currently having a hard time again to shoot their shot. No good. San Antonio. Jersey number 6 again, no good. 2 points by jersey number 4 from San Antonio Bobcat. I think the first quarter will end up without Genesis getting a single score against San Antonio Bobcat. There's a substitution. Loreto. Steal. Another steal. Jersey number 4. Traveling violation. Last 57 seconds remaining time. Again, Genesis haven't scored a single point yet. And steal by jersey number 4 from San Antonio. Another 2 points. And that would make them 53 points against Genesis. There's been a foul. Last 48 seconds remaining time. That'll be 2 shots for jersey number 13 of Genesis. Will this be their first score? No good. Another shot. No good again. Rebound by jersey number 18. To jersey number 6. Out of bounds. Ball possession. Genesis. Last 40 seconds remaining time. Jersey number 18. Another score. Last 30 seconds remaining time. Foul. Foul, jersey number 6. Again, there's a penalty for Genesis. We are now last 24 seconds remaining time for our first quarter. And there again, there's 1 point for Genesis now. Jersey number 6. No good. Rebound by jersey number 18. No good. Last 5 seconds. And that would be it for our first quarter. San Antonio versus Genesis. Official score, 55-1. 54-point lead by San Antonio Bobcats.
Dilig basketball, liga, 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 liga. Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman sugapa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tama rin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag kang mailang. Bigay lahat ng makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira 3, foul, basket bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasap ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na ulit.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako.
Sige, ako na lang. For 3, no good. Rebound by jersey number 11. No good. Rebound by Mr. Loreto, jersey number 29. Steal by jersey number 12, Aguilera. For 3, no good. Rebound by jersey number 12, 11.
9 seconds to shoot. Lorenzo. Aguilera. Gutierrez. Foul on jersey number 11, Aguilera. Second personal foul, first team foul. Loretto. Line foul, jersey number 7. Then you've got first personal foul. Substitution. Foul on jersey number 12. Save ball possession. Australia first personal foul. Substitution. Aguilera. Save ball. Viva Holland.
But our second personal foul. Third team foul, substitution. Covenant violation. Nagkakala. Setelah 14 seconds. 5 seconds. Setelah violation. Substitution. Seconds violation. Tiga kailangan. Inbound violation. Out of bounds. Genesis Road. Foul on jersey number 30. Third personal foul, second team foul. Bala. Foul on jersey number 17. First personal foul, warning for penalty. One second to shoot. Foul on jersey number 71. First personal foul, 13 foul. Foul on jersey number 11. 71. Second personal foul, warning for penalty. Record violation, 48 seconds. Five seconds. Under.
Makakasarili, galawang malabro, Jason Williams kung pumasa. Double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick quick release ang banat parang sa Perry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinouble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na din ng mga kalaban. Na parang na modus, ito ay nalang dikdikan to. Coast to coast, kapag gumana to, champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon din ako. Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, liga, liga,
Come
liga.
on, bounce the ball, likat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na ngay street ballin'. Determinado sa laro, we can never fallen. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako. Kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulog pa si Steve Nash, di wait ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang mag-sleep. Pakita mo ang tikas mo na may sportsmanship. Bandang huli lahat tayo ay mananalo. Kahit mag-beast mode, appear lahat ng manlalaro.
Sumabay, tumakda.
Start of the third quarter. Crossway. Gutierrez. Basket challenges, number 7, Barcelona. Foul on 7. Playing applaud. Second personal foul, first team foul. For the Browns, save ball. Shot clock 11 seconds. Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Super. Shot clock 15 seconds. Aguilera. Aguilera. Silhouette. Ten seconds. Substitution. Player stopping. Foul on jersey number 8. Balawa third personal foul. First team foul. Di ba kailangan? Foul on jersey number 6. Third personal foul, 17 foul. Five seconds violation. 14 seconds to shoot. Zero. Set up 13 seconds. Substitution. Traveling violation. Foul on jersey number 4 is Sada. First personal foul, 13 foul. Banawa. Five seconds. Foul on jersey number 6. Fourth personal foul. One of them. Constitution. Taki. Eight seconds violation. Carvajal. Aguilera. Masinua. Aguilera. Out of bounds. You'll see the Bernard Ganawa. Foul on jersey number 11. Penalty. Aguilera, third personal foul. Penalty. Out of bounds. Cutting violation. Ganawa. Jump ball. James's ball. Basket, goaltending. Aguilera, fourth personal foul, penalty. Aguilera, warning for graduate. Fifteen seconds. Austria. In the third quarter, official score 113-10.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, tinako, tumitres, tumiling up nang hindi ka po. Mga moves na pang-oops ng lupet mo sa smooth. Pasok sa galawang panika na ikaw ang bila.
Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing.
Five seconds violation. Shot clock, 14 seconds. The foul on jersey number 8. First personal foul, first knee foul. Traveling violation. Agbo. So reverse. For the ball, first personal foul, first team foul. Agro. Solomon. Jersey number 77. Offensive foul, person number 5. Substitution. Ready, shoot. Traveling violation. Substitution. Shot clock, 14 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Okay. Last 2 minutes. Ball on jersey number. Seconds violation. 36 seconds. Another. Last 20 seconds. Ten seconds. Overall high score 140-40. San Antonio Bobcats win. Our best player of the game from San Antonio Bobcats. Wearing jersey number 11. Giancarlo Aguilar.
Dilig basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig basketball, liga, 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 liga. Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing. Na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw. Sintaas ng bola pag ginagis kakasilaw. Tignan mong maigi ang iyong paligid. Baka may umagaw, pasa mo sa gilid. Titira ng tres, walang sasabay. Babaan lahat, matik to walang sablay. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat...
Good afternoon, everybody. This is Shekinah Shells here Once again, I am together with the best player, jersey number 11, Mr. Aguilera, who played against SCBA. Ano po masasabi niyo sa nagawa niyong play ngayong araw? Again, kuya, ano po masasabi niyo sa nagawa niyong play ngayong araw?
Sinunod lang po yung mga turo ni Coach Yong at sipag lang po sa laro. Sipag lang po.
Who were your inspiration during today's game?
Parents po. Shoutout po kay Kenji Amante.
Okay. Ano po mga nagawa niyong proseso para makamit ang victory ngayong araw na ito?
Ensayo po.
Ano ang what do you think are the pinakang tumatak sa isip mo na advice ng inyong coach?
Go hard. Tsaka sipag lang sa loob ng court.
May mga gusto po ba kayong i-shoutout ngayon pa sa mga nanonood ng live or here inside Central Gymnasium?
Shoutout po kay Jemira tsaka sa mga teammates ko.
Once again, Mr. Aguilera, jersey number 11, our best player for today's game. Back to you guys.
Makina, kala mo nakakape pagkabarako. Kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulog pa si Steve Nash, di wait ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang mag-sleep. Pakita mo ang tikas mo na may sport.